In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offline presentation in Canva. Whether you're preparing for a meeting without reliable internet access or just looking for the convenience of an offline presentation, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Canva and locate the presentation you want to make available offline. It doesn't matter if it's a new project or one you've been working on for some time. Once you've found your presentation, hover your mouse over the file. At this point, you should notice 3 dots appearing in the upper right-hand corner. These might seem small and inconspicuous, but they are your gateway to a whole range of extra options and settings for your presentation. By clicking on these 3 dots, you'll be able to access several features that you might not use on a regular basis, but today they are exactly what we need. After clicking on the 3 dots, a menu will appear with various options. Take a closer look to find the one labeled Enable Offline Presenting. Clicking on this will activate the offline capability for your presentation. It's just a simple click, but it sets the stage for viewing your slides without needing an internet connection. This can be perfect for those times when you can't rely on being connected. When you enable offline presenting, Canva will start downloading the necessary resources for your presentation right onto your device. Depending on the size and content of your presentation, this might take a little time, so remember to be patient. Sometimes, larger presentations with lots of images, graphics, or animations might require a few extra moments to prepare. Once the download is complete, your presentation is ready for offline use. You now have a fully functional presentation that you can display and navigate through smoothly without worrying about internet speeds or connectivity, all thanks to the offline feature. Here's a tip to ensure everything runs seamlessly. Test your offline presentation before your actual meeting or event. Open the presentation without an internet connection and cycle through your slides. By doing this, you'll be more confident that everything is in order and avoid any unexpected surprises when you're presenting live. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that your Canva presentation is available offline and ready to impress your audience regardless of your connection status. This feature is exceptionally useful for business presenters, educators, and anyone who needs reliability in their presentations. I hope you found this guide helpful. With Canva's offline presenting capability, you can be confident and prepared for any situation. If you enjoyed this tutorial or know someone who might benefit from it, please feel free to share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.